how to download and add Todoist extension on your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is search for Chrome Store and click on the Chrome Web Store and search for Todoist like this. It's not list, it's the Todoist. Now click on the first option. It have more than 800,000 users. And now as you can see, here is how to use it. It's very easy actually. Now click on add to Chrome and click on add extensions, and it's gonna be start downloading, and then everything is gonna be done for you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.